This message is being broadcasted by the U.S.T.F. organization. At 12:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects have struck the Moon. Some of these objects have missed the Moon and are now orbiting Earth. As of 1:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Moon has begun to glow a bright red and small tremors are being reported from all over the world. This broadcast will now relay instructions that will keep you and your loved ones safe. Do not go outside. Lock all doors and windows. Lock yourself in a room with no windows. Cover your ears. Keep your eyes shut. Make yourself as small as possible by going into the fetal position. Do not open the door for anyone. If you have pets outside, leave them. Look at the moon. Look at the moon.
Look at the moon. Look at the moon.
Don't look at the night sky. Ignore all outside noises. Do not look into mirrors.